BlockDAG's TG Tap Miner is a new play-to-earn, P2E initiative that has been gaining attention in the crypto community. This game allows users to earn cryptocurrency rewards while engaging in gameplay, blending entertainment with financial incentives. Here's an inside look at how it works. Overview of TG Tap Miner. TG Tap Miner is a blockchain-based game that integrates the BlockDAG ecosystem. The game is designed around mining activities where players tap on the screen to simulate mining operations. As they progress, players can unlock various upgrades, improve their mining efficiency, and earn in-game tokens. How it works. 1. Gameplay mechanics. The primary gameplay involves tapping to mine resources. The more you tap, the more you mine. As players mine, they earn tokens that can be used for upgrades or exchanged for other cryptocurrencies. 2. Reward system. TG Tap Miner operates on a reward-based system. Players earn tokens that can be converted into BlockDAG tokens or other cryptocurrencies. The game offers various tiers of rewards, with more active players earning more valuable rewards. 3. In-game upgrades. Players can use their earnings to upgrade their mining equipment, which increases their mining efficiency and overall earnings. This creates a cycle of play, upgrade, and earn, keeping players engaged. 4. Community and competitions. TG Tap Miner also includes community features such as leaderboards and competitions. Players can compete against each other for higher rewards, adding a social element to the game. Why it's gaining popularity. The combination of gaming and earning potential has made TG Tap Miner popular, especially among those interested in both gaming and cryptocurrency. It's part of the growing trend of play-to-earn games that allow users to monetize their gaming time. Key takeaways. Earn while you play. TG Tap Miner offers a unique opportunity to earn cryptocurrency while playing a game. Simple mechanics. The game's simplicity makes it accessible to a wide audience, even those new to crypto. Potential for growth. As more players join, the game's ecosystem is expected to grow, potentially increasing the value of rewards. TG Tap Miner is an intriguing development in the P2E space, combining casual gaming with real financial incentives, all within the innovative BlockDAG ecosystem.